Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick video of this 4713 that you saw. I mean, you saw that it didn't run. Well, it would run, but it was stuck. But I thought I'd try something that my husband suggested to me, and he did it on one of my fans, but I didn't appreciate it, and we had... Well, either way, I appreciate it now. And I figured I'd show you a little secret. If you find a fan with that was stuck, squirt some contact cleaner. It'll dissolve some of the dried up oil, and it'll turn. But I do not recommend just squirting it and going, because I still need to actually put some fresh oil in this and everything else. But to prove that it does work, here's high. Medium. And low. To the high. And the off. Yeah, prayers probably need to be broken in or re-oiled, but it's a lot better than when you saw it last time. And you did hear it, so I'm going to treat you to a startup sound. That's what I'm going to do, because until I get this thing totally re-oiled, I don't want to damage it. So that's that. Quick update video. This 4713 got to run by squirting contact cleaner in the motor where the bearings are, and it dissolves some of the old oil. And I do not recommend you just squirt this, let the oil disintegrate, put some fresh oil in it, and you should be good to go. So next time, whenever it is, I'm asking, thank you for watching, and the comment box is open.